2. Unboxing and setup part 2. We're on part 1. I unboxed and gripped this. And now, I'm sorry I didn't get dismantling this in the clip video thing. But yeah, this was very handy. And I suck at holding stuff. But yeah, let's get on to it. What to do first? Get this. I'm not poking these all the way through. Just poking them to get a little bubble for reasons. Well, I can't see the little bubble, so. This is very awkward to do. Just saying that. Yeah, I just farted. There's that as well. And I got the wrong piece of hardware, so that's perfect. Black piece. Ball. Over there. It's over there. Can't see that. I just skinned myself on my grip tape. And there's skin on it. Ew. Doesn't hurt that bad, it just really stings. Why am I using a truck and wheel? Success deck, Revive Success deck, Force hardware, Spitfire wheel, Spitfire 52 wheels, Lucky 3s bearings, and Rush Hornet, or not Rush, Reflex Hornet trucks. I'll go over that again at the end of the video if you didn't understand my words. Almost did it again. Yeah, it cut me. Not sure if you could see that though. did that off camera. This is hard to do on a table. This is such an awesome board. Cannot wait to skate this. Let me look at this a minute. Need a light one there. And a light one there. Okay. Cannot wait to skate this, like I just said a little few seconds ago. Such an awesome board. And I'm putting the hardware and stuff on right this time. Last time they had like little air bubbles in them. I'm not wearing any shoes right now, or socks, so I'm gonna make a skating video right after this, when I'm done. So it'll be like, they'll release within like 5-10 minutes with each other, so you're gonna get videos like that. Sorry you guys can't see this very well. I'm just very bad at doing stuff. Where's the other one? Oh, it's right there. Let me push this through off camera real quick. Off screen. There. 3 out of 4 in. And all of my other ones almost fell out. So that would have sucked. I love skateboarding so much. It's not even fun. No, that ain't it. Oh, I was super close to it. Right there. Gosh dang it, did I do it again? Bolt. 8 out of 8 bolts are in. Now to put them like 7 out of 8, 6 out of 8 bolts are in. Not time to put the trucks in. Let me put these back on. And then we'll put on the trucks. And then that will be the end of this video. This video is going to be pretty long. Gosh dang it! And yell at me. I screwed that up very badly. super happy with the stuff that I got from Revive, and I really hope they'd sponsor me in the future. And the next thing I get from them, I might email them that just to say how much that I enjoy their gear. Truck line secured. Sorry you guys can't see this. There. I knew these things were gonna go fast, so I got one really fast. Because these are limited edition decks, and I'm not gonna let this one go to waste. I'm actually gonna skate it. Like, if I ever got a revenge deck, I'd skate that, just because I'd skate it and then I'd hang it up on my wall. Because that's the stuff that I do once I get screws and nails and stuff. So yeah. Ratchet! I'm just gonna make sure this is all in frame right here. There. Now it won't drive me crazy. And wrong way, Dalton. One on that could probably go in farther. Some of you are probably going to be yelling at me saying, no, you can't use 775. You can't be using 75 trunks for 775 deck. And I honestly, I checked it, and I said, I checked it, and it really won't matter to me. My friend has OCD, so it'll probably kill him, but my wrist is starting to hurt. I'm going to switch this one around. My mom is probably going to be mad at me for not mowing the lawn like I was supposed to, but yeah. Oh, in the second week of August, I'm going to St. Cloud Skate Park in Minnesota. Catch me down there if you like me. Mason is coming with me, and it's gonna be a great time. It's huge inspiration to me. Sponsor me when I'm older, when I'm good at skateboarding. Yeah, that was just a message to Andy if he's actually watching this. Teach me how to kickflip, guys. Whenever I land with my front foot off and my back foot on. Tell me how to break that. I tried jumping forward when I did it standing still. Yeah, that didn't really help. But yeah. Ooh, this one's tight. I'm using my right hand. There. A little more actually. There. You want your bolts on tight so they don't fall off. Oh, that would have been bad for my face. Yeah, I'm super excited for this. Here's my board. I'm going to tighten up the front ones a little bit more. And that'll be the end of the video. Hope you liked it. Because if you didn't, you watched it. Still leave a like, please. Yeah. Small channels and all. Ugh, that hurts. Yeah, I'd get the silver ratchet tool because it is such a handy thing to have. That's the board. It's pretty nice. It's really nice. But first of all, we have to put this on the wall, and then we can put stickers on the board. It's this. It says, Dawson, thank you so much for the kind words. Keep skating. And I said, Andy, you're such a huge inspiration. Blah, blah, blah. Teach me how to kickflip, or tell me how to. I don't know. But yeah, it's going on my wall. Because whenever I get like a packing slip that people say, I want 2 from Andy and 1 from Brian Ames. Dawson, skate all day. Andy, Dawson, keep skating. Andy, and then the kind words one that I just added today. Time to put stickers on the board. Gonna put an AM grip sticker on it and 2 Revive stickers. Why am I not showing you? go. I don't want to cover up him, so here, you get to go right above him, right above Hank. There's the first one. I'm gonna put this one right here on the nose. And the third one, I really don't want to cover him up, but give him a revive now. Cover up minimal amounts of Hank. No. I suck at putting on stickers. There is definitely an air bubble in this. But yeah, there's my stickers on it. Hope you like this video. I have to clean up all of this crap. So, yeah. Like, comment, subscribe, and remember, don't land Primo unless you're doing a Primo slide. Bye!